Yes. Yeah, you will always have an amazing memory, and you will always be interested about things that you're interested in. And those social skills that Mom mentioned, those will always be things that you just have to remind yourself about.
I actually have a couple of books here. Dad and I have been reading that talk about autism. And this one here was actually written by a boy who's a couple years older than you, who has Asperger's syndrome. It's a really interesting book, and we will sit and read these with you if you want, or if you want to read them by yourself.
Eat your dirty sock.
We're learning together.
It's clean.
So this is all new for us too.
We're proud of you, Max.
So proud.
I'm gonna go play Bug War online.
Okay. Okay.
30 minutes?
45.
30?
Fine.
I love you.
Oh.
I didn't